Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best glass jar blender is probably one of the most sought-after kitchen appliances nowadays, offering a perfect blend of style, durability, and performance. Today, we will deep dive into the world of glass jar blenders, exploring their unique advantages, helping you determine if this is the right choice for your kitchen and lifestyle, and guiding you through the process of selecting the perfect model to suit your specific needs and preferences. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender. This blender is your new kitchen essential. It's powerful and versatile, perfect for making all your favorite drinks and more. With 700 watts of power and ice saber blades, it crushes ice and blends even the toughest ingredients with ease. Say goodbye to chunky smoothies. It features a patented wave action system. This ensures everything gets blended perfectly, every single time. The convenient spout makes pouring easy and mess-free. Enjoy perfectly blended drinks without the hassle. Cleanup is a breeze. The jar, lid, and blades are all dishwasher safe. More time for enjoying your creations, less time cleaning. With 12 different functions, it purees, dices, chops, and more. It's the only blender you'll ever need. From smoothies and shakes to frozen drinks and more, it delivers ultra-smooth results every time. Experience the difference. What we like. It boasts a powerful motor and patented wave action for ultra-smooth results. If you need a versatile blender for various tasks, this is the one for you. Its multiple functions make it perfect for any kitchen. What people say. The power of the motor is good. 700 watts seems to churn through anything you put in there. It's easy to clean, either run a quick blend cycle with a half container of water and a drop of dish soap, or take it apart and wash the components separately. This thing is a powerhouse. It easily handles ice, just pulse it at short intervals until it's broken up, before you blend. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher 54221. It's time to experience the Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher. With 700 watts of power and 14 blending functions, it handles any task with ease, from mixing to pureeing and crushing ice. Say goodbye to lumpy smoothies. Its patented wave action system ensures everything is perfectly blended, every single time. No more stirring needed. This blender is a true ice-crushing powerhouse. The patented ice saber blades have been tested to crush 2 tons of ice, making it perfect for frosty drinks. Cleaning up is a breeze. The 40-ounce jar, lid, and blades are all dishwasher safe for quick and easy cleanup. It's built to withstand the test of time. This blender is rigorously tested to handle 8,000 drinks, ensuring years of reliable performance. Pour your creations without the mess. The unique spout is designed to prevent drips and spills, keeping your kitchen clean. What we like. This blender features a powerful motor and wave action for consistently smooth blends. If you're looking for a durable and versatile option capable of handling a wide range of tasks, this is a great choice. It's built to last and perfect for heavy use. What people say. This blender is a great option for those looking for a budget-friendly blender for everyday use. While it may not be the most powerful or versatile blender on the market, it's perfect for making smoothies, shakes, and soups. I've used this blender every day for 1.5 years, many days twice a day, and I like what I blend to be super smooth, and I also adjust ingredients as I go. So in the sense of length of time blending, it's not just a few seconds of blending, it's more like a few minutes in a few segments, and so I have a basis to say that this cheaper item holds up well and blends excellently. It's easy to clean, some liquid seeps behind the glass and it comes out easily and doesn't affect its functioning. The glass is great quality, it's heavy and can withstand when I use boiling hot water or ingredients at times. The cord is long enough, unlike some other blenders I've had. It works. I made a smoothie with about 1/2 cup of frozen fruit, 1 fresh banana, and about 1/2 cup of almond milk and 1 tablespoon chia seeds. It blended perfectly on the grind icy drink setting. I bought this to replace my NutriBullet, it gets stuck too often. Number 3. Oster 6-cup blender refresher kit. Is your blender jar looking a little worse for wear? This 3-piece kit gives you a brand new jar, lid, and cap, so you can keep blending. It includes a 6-cup glass jar, a new lid, and a convenient filler cap. Everything you need to get back to making smoothies and more. The jar is made of durable, scratch-resistant BLACK+DECKER glass. It's also dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. The removable filler cap makes it easy to add ingredients and measure precisely. No more messy spills. It's compatible with a wide range of Oster blender models, so it's a perfect replacement for your old jar. Check the compatibility list to ensure it fits your model. Instead of buying a whole new blender, simply replace the jar and get back to blending quickly. It's a cost-effective solution. What we like? It's a simple yet effective replacement jar kit. If you need a spare jar for your Oster blender or just want a fresh start, this is a great value option. It's perfect for those who frequently use their blender and want to keep it in top condition. What people say. Jar replacement works perfect with our Oster blender. Very sturdy. The Blender 6-cup glass jar with lid is the perfect replacement for a broken jar, providing a seamless fit for the blender. It comes with the lid included, making it a complete and functional accessory. The quality of the glass is excellent. It is thick and durable. The design and dimensions are exactly like the original jar, ensuring that all parts fit correctly. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER BL 2010 BG Blender. This blender is a kitchen essential, offering 12 speed settings and a pulse function for perfect blending every time. It's versatile enough for smoothies, soups, and so much more. With its 12 speeds and pulse function, it easily creates the perfect consistency for any recipe. From thick smoothies to perfectly pureed soups, it handles it all with ease. The large 6-cup glass jar is easy to use and clean, and the perfect pour spout prevents messy drips and spills. Enjoy effortless pouring every time. Its innovative removable stainless steel blade blends at multiple levels for superior efficiency and power. Experience smoother, more consistent results with every use. Cleaning up is a breeze. All removable parts are dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. More time for enjoying your delicious creations. It packs a punch with 552 watts of power at peak performance, ensuring efficient blending for all your culinary needs. It's powerful enough to handle even the toughest ingredients. What we like? This blender offers precise speed control for various textures. If you need a versatile blender with a convenient pour spout and easy cleanup, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who want simple operation and easy maintenance. What people say. It's a nice size and can hold a lot. I use for versatile purposes like making smoothies, salsa, or blending my soups into a puree. It's efficient and does the job needed. Comes with multiple functions or speeds and makes cooking a little bit easier. Dishwasher safe is a plus. The 6-cup glass jar is sturdy, holds plenty, and cleans easily. I love the range of speeds. It can handle everything from smoothies to soups with ease. The stainless steel blades are sharp and blend thoroughly, even with ice and frozen fruit. Plus, the suction feet keep it stable on the counter, so it doesn't move around while blending. It blends ice easily and frozen fruit. Plenty big enough for her to make 2 smoothies. Number 1. BLACK+DECKER PowerCrush Blender. This blender is your new kitchen essential. It's powerful, versatile, and easy to clean. Its unique blade design creates a powerful vortex, pulling ingredients directly to the blades for incredibly fast and smooth blending. From delicate pureeing to powerful ice crushing, it has the speed you need for any recipe. Enjoy perfectly blended smoothies, soups, and more. The durable glass jar is perfect for making large batches, and the easy pour spout makes serving a breeze. The jar, blade, and lid are all dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and simple. It boasts a powerful 700W motor at peak performance for effortless blending of even the toughest ingredients. What we like? It features a powerful motor and innovative blade design for efficient blending. If you're looking for a powerful blender with simple controls and easy cleanup, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want quick and effective blending. What people say. Works much better than the old one. A lot easier to control the level of puree you want the tomatoes to be. It takes less time to achieve the consistency you want for the proper thickness of the sauce. It's high quality, sturdy and glass, which PPL with plastic blenders said they cracked. It's not perfect. If I take the extra time to adjust the ice then blend again until it is small enough to suit me. Easy to disassemble to clean few parts. The bottom of the blender pitcher assembly is made to cover the blender base while using the blender. This deflects or sheds any spills away from the blender base. A nice design touch to make it easier to clean if any spills happen. Substantial, thick, sturdy glass pitcher which can be placed in the freezer to help keep your milkshakes or cold smoothies even colder while you make them. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.